Hi, it's Francesca and the team from the Photo Labs, and we all want to welcome you back to campus. We've spent the last few months sharing the campus with the local wildlife and doing lots of cleaning. Our mission has been to create a service environment that is safe for both students and for ourselves. We spent some time handling students' film, doing all the loading, processing, trimming, and sleeving the film to make it ready for a no-contact pickup. We created individual scanning rooms with everything needed to get digital work done in the labs while staying safe. We also made prints and sent them out for a class. And just look at the deep cleaning and repair work we did on the RC machine. Do you recognize it? When we weren't servicing students' work, Christine and I started gardening from here. Look at our pretty garden. Here's some of my cherry tomatoes. And that's a bit of mint and some flowers. We produced our own demo videos to help with the transition to distance learning all by ourselves. And we made a film drop-off box at the gate. We are all excited to see our students' faces back on campus. Just make sure it's from 6 feet away or more. We hope you've been staying safe at home, and we're going to help you stay safe within our labs. See y'all soon!